Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. Okay everybody, let's go ahead and get started with today's training. It is going to be going over the referral network here within KW Command. Now, one of the great things about KW Command and with the referral network, pretty much you get to play the matchmaker for any referrals you got going out of state. And to me, that is a big thing. Especially, I know what my clients are like. I know the person that I'm talking to. I know what their personality is like. I know what their energy level is like. And when I go ahead and I'm looking for a referral partner, I pretty much want to match them up with a like-minded person that has the same personality, the same outlook. They bring the same energy to the table. And the last thing that I want to do is kind of hope and pray for some of the things you see on the Facebook groups. And there's usually one or two people that are the cheerleaders. And what if you assign it to that person and they have totally polar opposite viewpoints, their personalities are not going to align or anything like that. So to me, this is more of a game changer because you get to do your due diligence and play the matchmaker, and just to ensure that ultimately when they go to another state, they're well taken care of, but also you're going to get that referral fee coming back from it. So let's start off in Command. Come over to where it says Referrals. Click on that. And you're brought up here to the dashboard. Now, when it comes to the dashboard, if you look, you have the pending invites, any pending referrals, that are whether it's coming in or going out, any referrals that you have received, any of the referrals that you've sent out so far. It shows you how many people you have inside your referral network right now, currently. And down here, you could go ahead and take a look at your agents inside your referral network. Now, one of the features too, especially when it comes to keeping everything organized, and I'm going to use Abby Hausman from Ankeny, Iowa as an example. Now, I click on her profile, and one of the important things you have to understand is that when it comes to your KW Connect profile, make sure your bio is filled out. Because as I'm going over this right here, I'm seeing, okay, serve 2 MLS areas. Happy to help out you and your clients in all of central Iowa from Des Moines Metro, Ames, Boone, and all points in between. So if I'm looking at it like, hey, you know what? I know that my client's going to be moving out to Des Moines, Iowa, somewhere between Des Moines and Nebraska. I'm going to make sure that I go ahead and reach out to Abby to see if it's a good fit. So please, when it comes to your KW Connect profile, it's set up and you're getting right to the point and everything of what you have to offer for potential referrals coming into you. You can also see the agent stats. She's doing pretty good out there. And if there's anything else, you can go ahead and just create a quick note on it. And of course, this is like for your personal records. You're doing your due diligence and ensuring your client is being taken care of when they go somewhere else. Also, one of the things you can do right here is add a tag. So if I wanted to put down Des Moines, even though Ankeny is like one of the little suburbs outside of Des Moines, I could put down Des Moines, or once I get to talk to her or whatnot, I could put any other specializations. Okay, does she do like land and farm property? Does she know certain aspects? Are there certain nuances? Those little things that add up over time for your clients, I could go ahead and put it down. So if I got a referral going out to Iowa, and especially out here in Phoenix, Arizona, we have a lot of people in Sun City and a lot of the 55 and older communities. They still have family members over back home in Iowa, Nebraska, and other places throughout the Midwest that they're like, yeah, I just got off the phone with my daughter or my granddaughter, and they're looking to move into a condo. They're looking to buy a house, and they're having a hard time with the agent they have right now. And those conversations do come up. So keeping your database organized when it comes to referral partners is very important too. Now up here, this whole portion right here is the dashboard. Up here you have your referrals. Now these right here are the referrals you sent and received. And back here, I know this is starting up. You have a timeline of, okay, here's your active referrals. Here's the referrals that actually went through. They got funded. Everything's good to go. Two lost, some ones that are expired. And I know when everything first started up with Command, there was the anonymous referrals that went out, or they were just broadcasted out. You see the ones that are rejected, and you can have a timeline of everything. Now also, when it comes to sent and received, you have this click down from the newest one to the oldest one that's still pending or still out there. And of course for the price range from high to low and from low to high. Another thing too, when it comes to this, is you can filter out the information as well. Just click on filter and you can see, okay, what kind of referrals do we have going in and out? Are they buyers, sellers? Is going to require somebody with property management. Once again, the tags is important. Do they do property management? The referral type, was it a regular? Did you broadcast it out? Are they already pre-qualified or pre-approved? Especially when it comes to Keller Mortgage, that is a big thing right there because that will carry over with them as well. I know for the last time we were at family reunion in New Orleans, I talked to Keller Mortgage, and yeah, it transfers over from state to state, so that's something to keep in consideration. Now, how to find a referral partner. Now, depending on what state you're in, you could do it a few ways. For myself personally, I always want to come down here to Market Center. So if I'm looking for a referral partner up in Seattle, because I know that over between Seattle, Washington, down to Portland, Oregon, we're getting a lot of business coming in, and a lot of people are moving out of those states and coming here to sunny Arizona. So we'll just scroll in. And let's come down here to the Eugene, Oregon area. So we have the Market Center right here. Just click on that. And we can tell, okay, in this Market Center, there are 202 agents. And here's the agents right here. So there's a couple ways you could do it when you're looking for it. If you're just trying to do like a mass ad or something like that, I don't suggest it. What you could do is come here where it says search results, and you can filter out these agents. Okay, closed units. Let's go with 3 closed units and apply filter. So we went from 202 down to 97. Okay. There's other things you can do when it comes to these filters. Are they a mastery client? Do they service the luxury, commercial, land? So that way you're not just getting stuck being really redundant and asking like 15, 20 agents like, hey, by the way, do you take care of land? When you could go ahead and do this. Or you can find out who the commercial agent is. Now also right here for MegaCamp 2018, pretty much for this event right here, just showing MegaCamp. I know it's going to be changing here later on down the road. Let's go back to 0, apply filter, from 97 back up to 202. So if you have a particular preference of what you're looking for in an agent, especially when it comes to referral partners in another state, so you could definitely use the filter on that. Now back up here, you can go back to the dashboard where we started off at. We already went over my referrals, map, and my network. Now the cool thing about it, it comes back down here to the people that you already have in your network, but also if you have pending invitations, right now I already have 10 pending invitations that I've sent out. And for my network, I don't have anything coming in. So you can also track referrals right here and grow my network. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so when it comes to this right here, say if I wanted to add somebody into my network, let's go start at the top. Okay, let's go ahead and start with Caitlin, and it's a little bit easier to pronounce. We'll just click on her thing, and right here it comes with their profile. And of course, you have their email address, their primary phone number, the social media that they're on right here, and their service area. And that is with the KW Connect profile. I can't stress it enough. Now, if I wanted to add her as a partner, I could come over here, click add. I could do it automatically, just send the invitation. The invitation will go straight out to her, okay? Okay, so if I wanted to look for a particular agent to send as for a referral partner, I could come over here to this icon, click on that, and I could send a personalized message to them. I know before you were able to go ahead, if you already had a referral all ready to go, you could just click send invitation, and then a box pops up, and you can send the referral directly to them. And it gives you an option at the bottom of it to send a personalized message, but that is already gone. To send the invitation, the referral directly, you'll just click on this box right here, and this information pops up. You would just fill that out and you're good to go. You send them a referral directly. So we'll send a message over to Aaron. We typed out this invitation over here to Aaron. Click send invitation. And it's already sent out. All right, everybody. Hopefully you found this useful. If you have any referrals coming here to the Phoenix metro area, love to earn your business. And also, please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on posting here weekly, so please help the channel grow, and we'll talk to you soon.